Good afternoon everyone, and hello to my brown hair. So last time I spoke to you guys, this would have been a lot darker. I used a L'Oreal box, like dye at home kit, to get this colour. I think I would have showed it to you in an earlier vlog, this episode I think. So yes, I'm loving the colour. It's a little bit more red on top, but I'm not a professional. But I think that this is a pretty decent job. So yes, what's the plan for today? I'm wearing this top from H&M again, which I love and will continue to use and abuse. Plan for today is I've got a friend coming over and we're going to record an episode for the Grown Folks podcast. This is going to be a really good one actually, because she is basically a property investor, and I met her at an event that I spoke at a little while ago, Mindset Hack, for those of you who have kind of been around for the last few weeks. But she's really lovely, and yes, we're going to record an episode all about how she got started in property investment, and maybe giving some tips and advice on how to sort of start a little portfolio. So it'll be a lot of learning for me as well. As you guys know, property is a topic I'm quite interested in. And then we're going to get some food. Now we might do that in the opposite order, but it is what it is. Also, this weekend I've got a lot going on. So tomorrow I've got my aunt's surprise 50th birthday party, which should be a lot of fun, for which I think I've decided I'm going to wear either this dress, which is my birthday dress, and if that's not too much, red is a bit much to wear to someone else's birthday. I'm not 100% sure about that. But if it isn't that, the other dress I have, funny enough, is also red. Or I might do the top for this dress and like maybe some jeans or something. But then I have another red dress which could also work, which is this one. It's like an off-the-shoulder jobby. So yeah, hold on, come on, yeah, this looks like that. So that's Saturday, and that's probably going to be quite a late night, as it's a dinner and then a bit of dancing, and it's in Croydon, so that should be fun. And then on Sunday, wow, very busy day. So my voice is, wow, it's not returning. On Sunday I have, I'm going to a football match actually. Going to a football match it's a Chelsea Crystal Palace game. And I always joke about how I'm a fake Chelsea fan. So this will actually be an opportunity to see if I'm really a fan. So I'm going to watch that, and then after that my uncle's hosting like a little talk for us cousins, family members. I don't know, none of us know what it's about yet, so we'll yet to find out. And then after that I'm going out with all of my cousins who will be there to this event called Kampala Night, which is at Pier 1 nightclub in Canning Town, which is like East London. So the reason why I've been showing you this is because this is the dress that I'm thinking of wearing. So I'm going to try it on, although my friend's supposed to be getting here in like 3 minutes. So I'm going to try it on really quickly and show you guys what it looks like, see whether I keep it or not. Okay, so this is what the dress looks like. It will be easy to show you in this mirror. So I actually really like the style of it, because it's kind of like I'm trying, but I'm not trying too hard. I actually saw this on a girl at the event last week, and she's lovely. But I was like, oh my god, where's your dress from? And she said, pretty little thing. So I'll link it down below for anyone who's interested. It doesn't have pockets, ladies, unfortunately. I mean, it does have a really big pocket here, but it's quite like understated but sexy. so it could work. It's very short. It's very short for me, but I like how it goes with the red hair. I'm kind of feeling that look. So yeah, we'll see. With a pair of heels on, it's quite a chilled vibe, and I could wear this like during the day with some jeans on, and then just wipe the jeans off and be done with it. So yeah, I think this is a goer actually. I think this is a goer. So yeah, I'm gonna get changed back into my other outfit, and I'll see you guys a bit later. Oh, and tonight I'm also gonna go see my cousin and his baby. Did I already say that? I might not have, but yeah, I'm gonna go see my cousin and his kid, babies actually, he has 2, and just have a little catch up with him after Christmas. You guys will probably have seen him on my channel actually. It's Marvin, a bit of a hit with the ladies, but he is a taken man. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.
Should have got the drink.
Oh, good afternoon everybody, and happy Saturday. Today I'm all dolled up. You have not seen me looking like this quite this much in normal vlogs, actually probably even in Vlogmas, but I'm going to my aunt's surprise 50th birthday party, which is in a hotel somewhere. So this is what I'm wearing. I've got this red dress on from Karen Millen. Just looks like that. I'll give you a view of the back. I don't know if you'll be able to see it from here. It's kind of like an open back. Sorry, ran out of memory, but yeah, it looks like that at the back. And I'm gonna wear me little dupe there, Chanel dupe. Yes, you've seen the hair, but this is what the hair looks like curled. It's looking a little bit brassy up top, but I'm not ready to like tone it down a little bit just yet, because I think I might like it. So yeah, I will link the dress below for anyone who's interested. A little bit bloated, so doesn't look its best, but nevertheless, this is what I'm wearing. I think I'm gonna whack on. I've not worn this in a while. I've not worn this in winter yet, but my Zara long line coat, and I'm going to do kitten heels today because basically I've damaged my ankle. All of this heel wearing in 2018 has finally taken its toll on my feet, and I think I'm going to have to be a flats girl for a little bit, or at least a very short heels kind of girl. Okay, this is how we're looking. Ooh. Okay. Oh my God.
I think everyone is comfortable. Am I right?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Woohoo!
Why is this time for your book?
Hello and good morning, everybody. It's 10 o'clock on Sunday. I am up and ready for the day. Quick OOTD jumper. Gosh, I don't know where it's from. Probably H&M, knowing me. Leather jacket from Zara. Chanel dupe. ASOS jeans. Nike trainers. Outfit's kind of looking like this in the mirror. I'm off to the football. I'm going to go see Crystal Palace versus Chelsea, and I'm running late, so I'm not going to waffle here too much because I've got to take a quick outfit of the day pick. Right, so I absolutely can't monetize this, but another boys' night. We've got the infamous. If you're on Snapchat, you probably know who that is.
Wall. Blues.
And this guy.
Cheekiest of them all.
Oh. Quick outfit shot. Top from H&M. Skirt. Oh, focus. Yeah, top from H&M, skirt from New Look, shoes are Zara. Hello guys, and hi. I thought I would just jump on here quickly just to round off the last episode of Vlogmas. So clips were a bit mishmash in this last week because my plans have kind of just been sort of play it by ear, just do bits of this, do bits of that. But what you will have seen is me hanging out with my sister on Boxing Day, going to watch a football game, going out on the 30th, hanging out with some peeps, my usual people. But yeah, basically I just spent the last few days of the year with my regulars. And as this is the last episode of Vlogmas, I did want to close out this video properly. And thank you guys so much for tuning in to, I guess, more regular weekly vlogs. But also just to wish you a very happy new year. I'm recording this on the first day of 2019. It is the 1st of January and I'm feeling pretty pumped. I'm excited for the year to come. I'm excited to see what 2019 has in store for me, for this channel, and for everybody, for you guys as well. I hope that in the same way that I do, that you guys are starting this year with a fresh outlook, that you are ready and open to seize whatever comes your way, opportunities, new experiences, new people, and just go at it again. I always find the end of the year can be quite a reflective time, and I always try to use this time to sort of set myself up for the kind of year that I want to have. So while I'm not doing any strict goal setting anymore, I'm kind of just thinking about what kind of mindset I want to take into the new year, because I think that's where everything comes from. So the mindset I'm taking into the new year is to just take each day as it comes, but just work hard, play hard, and just take everything as it comes, take everything in my stride. That's kind of what I've done unintentionally in 2018, and I've done some pretty epic things. So more of that in 2019. And yeah, I guess I wish you guys a happy and prosperous new year, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.